In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly access and use Google Keep Notes within your Google Doc. Whether you're drafting a report, organizing a project, or simply jotting down ideas, this integration can be quite a game changer. So, let's dive right in and explore how this effortless connection between Google Docs and Google Keep can boost your productivity. First off, you'll need to have your Google Doc open in your web browser. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and navigate to your Google Drive and click to open the document you're working on. Once you're in your document, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. You'll notice a vertical strip populated with several icons. This is what's known as the side panel, a nifty feature within the Google Workspace suite that comes in handy for multitasking. Among the icons displayed, you'll see options like Google Calendar, Tasks, and others. Our focus today is on Google Keep, represented by a small yellow bulb icon. This represents your digital note-taking tool, Google Keep, where all your notes, lists, and ideas reside. Moving forward, click on that yellow Google Keep icon and watch as your Keep notes elegantly slide into view right within your document. This integration is incredibly useful for pulling up reference material, quick notes, or even a checklist that you've stored in Keep. The beauty of Google Keep embedded within Google Docs is that it allows you to effortlessly drag notes from Keep directly into your document. This means you don't have to bounce between multiple tabs or applications, saving you precious time and maintaining your concentration on the task at hand. As you browse through your notes in the panel, select any specific note you wish to incorporate into your document. You can simply click and drag sections of text or entire notes right into the body of your Google Doc. This action copies the content into your document, making it easy to integrate ideas, lists, or reminders directly into your workflow. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully accessed Google Keep within your Google Doc. This seamless workflow enhancement is just one of the many ways Google Workspace aims to enhance productivity and streamline your creative and organizational processes. So next time you're working on a project or drafting important content, remember these steps to effortlessly pull in your Google Keep notes for a more enriched and efficient document creation experience. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this short tutorial helpful and empowering as you continue to harness the capabilities of Google Workspace for your endeavors. Don't forget to explore the other features within the side panel for a fully integrated working experience.